Today I'm going to show you a few ways how you can get rid of your shadow ban on TikTok. So first of all, if I just come over to my TikTok, and for example, if you are on your profile here and you have noticed that your videos aren't getting as many views as they would usually, so something that's a little bit abnormal. So say if you get like 100,000 views per video and your views drop to like 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5,000 views, what the likelihood is that you might have been shadow banned. So one reason why you might be shadow banned is if you are posting like explicit content and stuff that's just against TikTok user guidelines and community guidelines. If you're posting stuff that are against those rules, what TikTok will do is they will shadow ban you, but the thing is they won't let you know that you are actually shadow banned. So make sure you go through your content and just make sure your content is as clean as possible and it does abide by TikTok community guidelines. The next thing that I've seen people do is that they can come back over to their Play Store and you just want to make sure that TikTok is up to date. So as you can see on mine, it says update, but if it says open, that will mean that your TikTok app is fully up to date. So you can click on update to just update it if you need to do that. And then the next thing you can do is you can also come back over to your TikTok app. Once you're on your profile, you can then click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. And then once you click on this, click on settings and privacy. So once you are on this page, what you need to do is you need to scroll down until you find something called support. And then under support there is report a problem, help center and safety center. And in today's video, we will need to click on report a problem. Once you do this, you'll be redirected over to this page here. And then as you can see in the top right hand corner, there will be like a little notepad type of icon. And if you click on this, what that will do is it will allow you to share feedback with TikTok. And then you need to click on the same icon again in order to create a feedback form. So once you click on that, what you need to do is you just need to contact TikTok and say something like, the views on your account are abnormally low. The views on your account are usually much higher. And then you can ask TikTok, if you are shadow banned. And you can obviously, add photos and videos of your account just to show the amount of views that have dropped on your TikToks. And then once you do this, you can click on the report button at the bottom, and then that will send that information off to TikTok, and then they will get back in touch with you via email. And the other thing you can do is just make sure your TikToks are as clean as possible, and just wait it out until TikTok do decide to unshadow ban you. So these are a couple of ways that you can remove the shadow ban from your TikTok account. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.